Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you record voiceover in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to record voiceover in Adobe Premiere Pro, you need to just click on this mic icon. As you can see here, it is written voiceover record. You need to just click any of these, and if you don't find this option, just right click here in these empty spaces, and as you can see the option customize, click on it, and you need to just drag it here like this. Okay, and after that click on OK. If you don't find that, let me put it again like this. And after you click on this, just right click here and voice over record settings. As you can see, you can choose the record system. Just like click on it, you can just change your microphone. Any microphone do you have put it. You can change the countdown time, just like clicking here and making it like 1 second or 2 second or 3 second, any second you want. As you can see, I am speaking, it is recording like this, which means it will record your voice if you say something after clicking this. Okay, and after that there will be a voice over here clip, and when you click it on again, the voice will be ended and the clip will be here. So guys, that's how you can voice over record in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.